Welcome to the Scheduled Maintenance Selling web-based training course. This course discusses selling factory scheduled maintenance to customers when they visit your shop. Today's vehicles require far fewer repairs than those of just a few years ago. So recommending scheduled maintenance to your customers keeps their vehicles running right and helps you keep your shop profitable. The course provides you with an overview of areas of opportunity to sell scheduled maintenance. Sticking with the maintenance schedule listed by the vehicle manufacturer is a good way to earn the trust of customers. Scheduled maintenance also gives your team the chance to find other work vehicles need that customers may not be aware of, such as worn brake pads and suspension parts. The course also includes a self-assessment that helps you evaluate your scheduled maintenance selling skills to help you improve your shop's workflow and profits. Factory scheduled or factory recommended maintenance is a list of items that must be adjusted, inspected, or replaced at certain mileage or time intervals. Typically at 30, 60, or 90,000 miles, or after a set number of months. The intervals may change depending on a vehicle's operating conditions, such as lots of short trips, dusty conditions, or trailer towing. Each manufacturer has different mileage intervals for recommended maintenance. So always refer to your shop's computer management system or the vehicle owner's manual when giving customers maintenance recommendations. The benefit to your customers for having factory scheduled maintenance done is having minor issues, like a weak battery, taken care of before it becomes a bigger issue that can leave them stranded. The benefits to your shop are increased productivity and cash flow, higher profits, and retained customers. Factory scheduled maintenance is an important part of having a vehicle stay in good working order. Completing recommended maintenance may even be necessary to keep a vehicle's warranty coverage current. Remind your customers that recommended maintenance can be done by your shop while their vehicle is still under warranty. They don't have to go to a dealership for scheduled maintenance. Another important reason for your customers to have all their scheduled maintenance work done is vehicle resale value. Buyers often want to see a maintenance and service history when purchasing a vehicle directly from the owner. Remind your customers to save all receipts and other documents related to maintenance and repairs. The service history may increase the value of their vehicle, whether the customer trades it in or sells it privately. One other reason for having your customers complete scheduled maintenance is to help with diagnosing an issue with their vehicle. When customers bring in their vehicles at the maintenance interval, technicians can make sure all systems function correctly and find any mechanical issues that may exist. Some manufacturers may void the vehicle's warranty and deny any claims if the vehicle's maintenance history doesn't meet at least the minimum requirements. Your shop has 3 opportunity areas for selling scheduled maintenance. They are maintenance due, deferred maintenance, and next maintenance. Let's take a look at all 3, beginning with maintenance due. When a customer's vehicle has a light on telling them scheduled maintenance is due, they may stop by your shop to ask what the light means. This is a great opportunity for you to explain what scheduled maintenance means as well as the benefits to the customer for having it done now. Use the opportunity to teach the customer why scheduled maintenance should be done when the warning light comes on. Go over what the manufacturer recommends at that interval and explain the cost and time needed to get it finished. If the vehicle is still under warranty, explain the need for keeping the maintenance history current to satisfy the warranty requirements. Deferred maintenance is also an opportunity for you to sell scheduled maintenance, so the customer can catch up on any items they may have overlooked or postponed. Brake fluid change and transmission service may not be done if the manufacturer recommends brake fluid and transmission fluid changes at certain mileage or time. Explain to the customer that overlooking these items can lead to costly repairs down the road. For instance, a transmission failure could leave the customer stranded on the side of the road and cost thousands of dollars to fix. Stuck brake calipers and seized wheel cylinders can also be very expensive to replace. Braking system performance also suffers as the brake fluid absorbs moisture. Next maintenance is the 3rd area of opportunity to sell maintenance. The opportunity actually happens before the customer leaves your shop. Remember to go over the customer's next scheduled maintenance to explain the items included and the total cost. Offer to set an appointment based on the number of miles the customer actually drives or number of months. Set a reminder in your shop's computer management system to follow up with a customer a few days ahead of the appointment time. Now let's see how your scheduled maintenance selling skills stack up with a brief self-assessment.